These are Chinese security forces hunting for men they believe were involved in fatal riots in Urumqi, which killed more than 150. The footage of house-to-house searches and detentions in a Uyghur neighbourhood on Monday night was shot by fellow residents and obtained by The Guardian and Reuters. Security forces have already held more than 1,400 people. Today, they put up posters urging rioters to turn themselves in and warning others not to shelter them. Then, this afternoon, another huge display of strength. Officers massing in the heart of the capital and dispersing to march the streets.
In some ways, life seems to be returning to normal in Urumqi today. But as this massive security presence shows, there's still anger and fear seething beneath the surface, despite the fact that businesses are now reopening in the heart of the city. And here at the bus station, people say they're leaving town because they just don't feel safe anymore.
So many violence, the Chinese people and Uyghur people just fighting, and there's a lot of problems, so I want to go back my home.